These lights are over 50 years old. This is how they look after a proper restoration. Same parts, no replacements, just time, patience, and the right technique. This is not damage. This is decades of dust, heat, and time. Every original headlight tells its story, if you know how to read it. Every restoration begins with respect for the original construction. These headlights were never designed to be disposable. They were built to be taken apart and brought back to life. Decades of dust, heat, and oxidation slowly change every surface inside a headlight. The glass loses clarity, the reflectors lose efficiency. Nothing is broken, just aged. Disassembly is not about force. It's about understanding how something was designed to come apart. Every clip, every seal, every wire has its own logic. When you rush, you break things. When you slow down, you learn how they were meant to work. This is where patience matters more than tools. Because preserving original parts always starts with respect. Every layer of dust, every trace of oxidation tells a story of time. So each component is separated carefully, studied, respected. Reflectors like these don't fail suddenly. They slowly lose efficiency as dust and oxidation build up. Cleaning the glass is about restoring clarity, not altering the surface. The goal is simple. Remove what time has added, nothing more. This reflector often causes the most concern. Many people are afraid to touch it at all, and with modern headlights, that fear is justified. But this is different. This is real galvanic chrome. Not a thin vapor coating, but a solid, durable surface. It can be cleaned carefully with mild glass cleaner without aggressive chemicals. If this chrome is still alive, it will not disappear from a gentle touch. And if it is already gone, no product in the world can bring it back. That's why there is no fear here. Only understanding the material and working with it honestly. At this stage, the difference becomes visible. The surface starts to respond. The chrome reflects light again. This is not about making it new. It's about giving it back what time has taken away. Every movement here is slow on purpose, no pressure, no shortcuts. Because restoration is not speed. Restoration is respect. Reassembly is where everything comes together. Not faster, not slower. Just the way it was meant to be. Each part returns to its place, not because it's new, but because it still belongs here. This is the moment when restoration becomes visible, not as a transformation, but as continuity. The headlight is assembled again. The light path is restored. Function and form meet once more. What you see now is not perfection, it's authenticity. Preserved materials, original engineering, time respected, not erased. Because true restoration doesn't rewrite history. It allows it to continue. And when the light turns on again, it carries not just brightness, but the story behind it. This is the rear light. It looks simple, but it never is. Inside, everything works differently. Heat from the bulbs, condensation, old seals, years of vibration. Plastic becomes brittle, contacts oxidize, reflectors lose clarity. That's why disassembly matters. Not fast, not aggressive. Every clip, every seal, every layer. Because once it's open, you can finally see what really needs attention. This is where understanding materials really matters. Inside this rear light, the reflector is plastic. The chrome finish here is not metal. It's a thin, reflective coating. That means no pressure, no harsh chemicals, no scrubbing. a gentle cleaner, soft movement, and patience. But this outer chrome trim is different. This part is real metal, galvanic chrome. Here, a mild abrasive is safe. Used carefully, it removes oxidation without harming the surface. Everything is now clean and ready, each part treated according to its material. Plastic stays intact. Chrome reflects light again. The result is visible in every detail. This is the final step before reassembly, a very light polish of the rear lens. No pressure, no heat. Just enough movement to refresh the surface. The goal here is not to reshape the plastic, but to restore clarity and even light diffusion. Slow passes, constant control. The surface stays cool and uniform. Experience, precision, feel. This is the final stage. Reassembly. The lens goes back into place slowly, without force. The adhesive is applied not to pull parts together, but to secure the lens and the reflector in their correct position. Alignment matters here. Pressure matters. And knowing when to stop matters most. This is where restoration becomes complete, when everything fits and nothing is rushed. This is the result. 4 original components, front headlights and rear lights, cleaned, restored, and assembled again. Original parts, original geometry. The light will work exactly as it was intended by the engineers who designed this car. Nothing added, nothing taken away, just a return to clarity and to the form this car deserves.